Here's a simple and delicious meat pie recipe that you can try. Classic meat pie recipe. Ingredients: 1 medium potato, peeled and cubed. 1/2 pound ground beef. 1/2 pound ground pork. 1/2 cup chopped onion. 1/3 clove garlic, chopped. 1/2 teaspoon mustard powder. 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/4 teaspoon dried sage. 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1/4 cup water. 1 15-ounce package refrigerated pie crusts. Instructions: boil and mash the potatoes. In a skillet, cook the ground beef and ground pork with the water, onion, garlic, and seasonings until browned. Mix in the mashed potatoes. Fill a pie crust with the meat mixture and cover with the top crust. Bake in the oven until the crust is golden brown. Serve the meat pie by itself or with beef gravy. Enjoy this comforting classic. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Here's a simple and delicious Lamingtons recipe that you can try. Classic Lamingtons recipe. Ingredients: 125 grams unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup castor sugar. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. 3 eggs, room temperature. 1 3/4 cups plain flour, sifted, note 1. 3½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 cup milk, low or full fat. 4 cups icing sugar, confectionery sugar, sifted. 1/3 cup cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. 150 milliliters boiling water. 4 cups desiccated coconut. Optional: strawberry jam and cream. Instructions: make a buttery vanilla sponge cake, cream together the softened butter, castor sugar, and vanilla until light and fluffy. Add the eggs and half of the flour, beat until combined, then add the remaining eggs and flour and beat until fully combined. Bake the sponge cake in a square or rectangular pan. Freeze the cake. Once cooled, cut the cake into squares and freeze them for easier handling. Prepare the chocolate icing. Mix the icing sugar, cocoa powder, melted butter, and boiling water until smooth. Dip each frozen cake square into the chocolate icing, ensuring it's fully coated. Roll the coated cake in desiccated coconut. Optional: sandwich 2 cake squares with strawberry jam and cream. Here's a simple and delicious Anzac Biscuits recipe that you can try. Classic Anzac Biscuits recipe. Ingredients: 125 grams, 4 ounces, unsalted butter, chopped. 2 tablespoons golden syrup or treacle, see tips. 1/2 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, baking soda. 2 tablespoons boiling water. 1 cup, 90 g, rolled oats, see tips. 1 cup, 150 g, plain, all-purpose, flour. 1 cup, 220 g, firmly packed brown sugar. 3/4 cup, 60 g, desiccated coconut. Instructions: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius per 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease 2 large oven trays, line with baking paper. Stir butter and syrup in a medium saucepan over low heat until smooth. Stir in combined soda and the water, then add the remaining ingredients. Roll level tablespoons of mixture into balls, place 5 centimeters, 2 inches, apart on lined trays, then flatten slightly. Bake for 12 minutes or until golden. Cool biscuits on trays. Tip: spray your measuring spoon with a little cooking oil spray before scooping up the golden syrup. This will help prevent the syrup sticking to the spoon. Make sure you use rolled oats rather than quick cooking oats as they will produce a different result. Enjoy these chewy and caramelized Anzac biscuits.